Hey everybody, this is Tim Pulaski with TriMech, and today I want to take a look at how to add your cross-reference lists to a non-printable layer in SOLIDWORKS Electrical. So if you're not already familiar with what cross-reference lists are, they're these lists that appear beside any parent symbol, such as a coil for a contactor relay, to help you keep track of where all of those contacts are currently being used. Now, they're nice from the designer's perspective, but for somebody who's reviewing this drawing, they may just represent clutter or be questionable in nature and just kind of confuse the user, or the reader. So what I typically like to do is hide these from the viewer by putting them on a non-printable layer. So that's what I want to show you how to do here today. The first thing that we're going to need before we do that is a non-printable layer. So I can add one of those to my project by coming up to the Modify tab and selecting Layers. Now I already have one here called EW Not Print, but if you add your own, it's simply a matter of making sure that it's active and visible to you, but that it has a slash through the print option over on the right, so it's indicated as being a non-printable layer. All the other settings are really up to you. But when I say OK, I can move these to that particular layer by drag selecting all of them, and over here on the right, selecting the layer on which they're attached. So if I come over here, we can select the EW Not Print layer, and just like that, they are on that non-printable layer. Now, when I come up to my Project tab, or my File tab, and select Print Preview, you'll see those are hidden from view. This goes for exported PDFs as well as physical prints of the document.